Okay, today we're going to learn how to integrate on the TI Inspire calculator. We've done some more complicated ones, but we're going to do some simple ones now. You can just type in integrate as the function, but it is much more simple to go over here to actually the top menu, go down to number 4 calculus, and number 3 integral. Hit enter, and then it gives us our interval right there. We're going to type in some arbitrary bounds, 0 to 5. Type in a function, how about x squared plus 6x plus 3. Then we've got to make sure we put in our dx because we already used x's. Click enter. What it does is it gives us our what the value is on the right. Invert. Like, we can also go in menu down to 4 calculus, enter, down to 3 integral, go over here and delete the bounds. And what it will just do is have an indefinite integral for us. So let's do something simple. Just do x squared dx. Click enter, and it will actually work it out for you there on the right.